What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today I'm gonna talk about the organization of data types and how can we use the numbers data types in Python. Let's go. This is the organization of these Python tutorials, and in the previous episode we have talked about the part of Python installation, introduction, and now we are going to talk about the parts of data types. And in the previous episode, we know data types include number, boolean, non-sequence, set, and mapping. And number also include integer, float, and complex. Alright, let's take a look at integer, float, and complex. At first, we are going to talk about the integer and float. For example, we set a equals 10 and we use type function of a and execute it. Yeah, you can see it shows the a's data types is integer, and we set b is 10.131 and we use type function of b and it is float. And we can also use the int function to convert b to integer. Right, you can see 10.131 is converted to 10. Also, we can use the float function to convert the integer to float. Alright, in another way, we set a c equals 12 and b equals 5.0 and we set a d equals c plus b and we print d and we type d. So we know that if we calculate an integer and a float, the outcome will be a float automatically. Alright, let's go on to see the complex. We set a complex a equals 1 plus 2j. J is the imaginary number I of math in Python. And we use type function a. It is complex. And in another way, we set a b equals 2 plus 4j and we calculate with a plus b and we print c and we type c. If we calculate 2 complex and the outcome is complex 2. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the organization of data types and how can we use numbers data types in Python. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.